Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashish and I'm your host of AI Jigyasa. So today we are going to look at the open source model, which is A step 1.5, which is, I mean, A step you already know about it. It's an open source model which like for text to speech model they provide, but they released new A step 1.5, which is a music generation model like Suno. So Suno is a commercial grade model if you know it, right? And this is open source, and people are saying like it's close to Suno, but I don't think so. Suno is doing this for like for a long time. So first of all, this is royalty free and no copyright data, so I can use it wherever I want. Second, it's very consumer hardware friendly because runs locally with less than 4 GB of VRAM, which is so good, right? So you can create any kind of songs if you want. So developed by A Steps, text to music, 50 plus languages, MIT license. So nothing. If you want to check out more information about this model, I'll put the link in the description and you can check it out there. I want to make this video as short as possible. So let's jump in. Right. So there are a lot of models here. When I want to look at the models here, if you want to use A step 1.5, go to your ComfyUI, open ComfyUI, and make sure it's updated um, to the latest, and go to templates and audio, and you will find A step 1.5 music generation here. If not, then update it, right? So A step 1.5 music generation is here. A step 1.5 music generation AIO. There are two separate templates here, workflows. So this one, if I click on it, as you can see, there are a lot of models that you have to download, right? The text encoder, the VAE, the diffusion model, which is a turbo model, and it's not the base one, but the turbo model, and it's 4.46. In total, it's almost 9 GB model, right? In total, but you have to create directory and you have to put it there, and also there are a lot of nodes then. So AIO is better. Why better? Because you get, if I click on it, where is this AIO? So when I click on it, as you can see, there's only one model, one big model where the text encoder is baked, the VAE is baked. Just like the older times, like when if you've used SD 1.5 or SDXL, we had checkpoints, right? SDXL checkpoints. So everything is here only. Clip VAE model. So you don't have to create directory for all these models. So as you can see, the location is ComfyUI model checkpoint, and you can put it there, right? So let's see what is it like, what kind of, it's very simple workflow. You don't have to like worry about big nodes, right? First thing first, there is this low checkpoint where your model will go. Then there's this duration, how many seconds or minutes you want. 120 seconds is like 2 minutes. And then there's the seed, and there's this audio latent. Then there's this big node, which is a text encode E-step audio node, which has the genre tags, like what kind of music you're looking for, what kind of instruments you're looking for, like live instruments, lazy swing, drummer plays a loose. Like there's a lot of information here, right? And then there's this lyrics area where you can put your lyrics. If you want to write your own lyrics, you can do that. Put it here. If you want, if you don't want to do it, just put your ID in a AI LLM, and it will provide you the lyrics, right? Easy. Seed is fixed, and if you want to randomize it, you can do that. Then there's this BPM, beats per minute. If the number goes up, it will go like fast beats, like the song pace is very fast, like progressive track. Like if you want mellow, like Joji kind of slow songs, then 60-70 BPM is more than enough, right? So duration, we already see the duration, like it's 2 minutes. Time signature, language, you can select from 40 language. They have told you like they'll 40 language. I don't see 40 language, but still you can choose a lot of language from here. There's then key scale, what kind of scale that you want in your is it C minor, G major, or what kind of scale that you're looking for in your audio, basically the song, right? uh, then there's this model sampling, or with for the model only. Then there's this key sampler. I'm using 8 steps. This is not my overflow. This is I'm using it. So I'm using 12 steps because again, the bigger the better, right? But I'm not going beyond 12 because 12 is more than enough. 8 steps is good, but I am still looking for. I think there was a slightly bit space for more quality, so I put 12 instead of 8. CFG is one. Sampler is Euler, scheduler is beta, simple is I don't think simple is good scheduler for this kind of audio generation. So Euler beta in my testing, Euler beta is much better. You can also use Rest for Life, install it, and you will find some more samplers like Rest2S. You can use Rest2S with the beta, and that will give you good results too. So there's this denoise also, and it's one. I mean, yeah. And then there's this preview audio after we decode, and that's it. That's your workflow. Now, I have created because I don't know how to write lyrics right now, so I put some instructional prompt in Claude and get the whole thing, like the prompt, the caption generation, basically the genre, description, what kind of instruments I need and all that according to my idea. And then there's this um, we have tags, we have lyrics also, and then we have other information that what kind of BPM that we are looking for, the time signature and the key, right? So I have already put all of this into the here in the text and code area, and I've created the audio already. So let's see what kind of audio we're getting. So here's it.
Open source, baby. No more. Let's go. I was locked in Suno, paying every month. Created tracks, but they took my funds. Subscription fees got me feeling like a slave. Now I found the code, man, I'm finally saved. Open source model, yeah, I'm running it free. No more corporate leech, just taking bread from me. Downloaded the files, set my system up right. Now I'm making bangers every single night. They try to gatekeep, try to hold me down, but I cracked the system, now I run this town. Unlimited tracks, unlimited power. While they counting pennies, I'm building my tower. Sit her in the background, 808s go boom. Couple of hitting harder than a sun, boom. It's your India vibes mixed with modern heat. I'm the revolution on this open source beat. No more limits, no more fees. Never open source, got me feeling so free.
So you get it, right? You can change the sampler scheduler according to your experiment. If you experimented with it, maybe you get a better quality. So experiment with the model. You can change the song durations to, I find 2 minutes 30 seconds is a better duration for better quality. Less than that, if I'm using 1.30 1 minute 30 seconds, it's not providing that good of a results. But yeah, so check the whole thing out, create music, and you can create a whole music video with this and use this in LTX too. Yeah, so I was creating a one for me to
Your ultimate spot for cutting edge AI.
so AI avatar I was creating. Let me know if you want to if you want me to create a video on that too, how you can create your own AI avatar and just automate it, right? So it uses my own voice, it uses my face, it uses my body, and that's it. So endless content basically. But yeah, I'll try to create a music video with this, a short music video, like maybe a minute or 30 seconds, and I'll post it on my YouTube Shorts, and stay tuned for that. So yeah, I've created more video audios. Let me show you that too. Let me just go ahead and play some tunes. So this is one. This is more like Josie, right? It's mellow, 70 BPM. I think F major, no, C minor.
City lights blur when I walk past. Faces fade, nothing ever lasts. Phone keeps ringing, I don't pick up. Empty bottles, half full cup. Concrete jungle, I'm just drifting through. Every street looks the same as the last two. No destination map to hold, just cold air filling up my soul. 3 a.m. thoughts got me spiraling down. Lost myself somewhere in this town. Mirror shows a stranger's eyes. Can't remember the last time I felt alive. Footsteps echo but they lead. Yeah. Yo. Yo, I'm walking down Broad Street, dodging the heat. Sitting screaming murder while I'm spitting on beats. 808s knocking harder than a rickshaw collision. Top rolls faster than my lyrical precision. They call me the problem, the chaos, the storm. Born in the gully with the lost story born. Udio jeans, man, I don't give a damn. Spitting venom like a cobra, yeah, that's who I am. How a bridge shaking when I'm dropping these bars. Juggle Puja nights, I'm a god among stars. Your fake ass persona, man, I see right through. I dismantle your career with a bar or two. Rosa go.
Yeah, so this is it. I've already showed you the workflow, and this is a very basic workflow. You can find it in the templates, but if you want, I am still going to put it in the description and you can get it from there. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for being here and watching this video. These are the upcoming models basically, so I'm just reviewing these models. I am going to create a music video with this, like for like maybe 90-second video. I don't want to go over because I don't have a powerful GPU. I have 3060. I have to maintain a lot of things. I have to work on it also, so I don't have that much time to create a full-length video. But I'll create and post it in my YouTube Shorts, and stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you for supporting me. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed the channel. Like, share, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want the workflow or any other workflow, if you want me to try any other node, let me know in the comments, and I'll also pin the instructional prompt in the comment section, so you can create the genre tags and the lyrics. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Subscribe PiMod to this channel. Hit that like button too.